Hi, greetings everyone. In this video, we will understand how to assign an overtime to a given resource. One thing you don't want to do is assign overtime as part of your original project plan. If you count on long work days from beginning, you won't have any options left in if the schedule goes away later. But once the project is underway, you have couple of ways to work with overtime. If your team members are salaried or get paid the same amount for every hour they work, you can assign someone to work longer hours by bumping up their units for an assignment. This work usage view is already set up to show the fields you need to do this. It's already filtered for incomplete tasks, so you can see the tasks that haven't been done yet and we could apply overtime to. This table already has assignment units and peek in the place. So you can just change the assignment units that are set for a resource. In addition, over in the grid, you can see the work and the actual work that's been done. To see how to assign longer hours, we are going to look at the inventory office task. The office manager is assigned at 50%. Well, let's say the inventory needs to get done sooner. So you ask the office manager to work longer hours and you want to increase the unit to 75%, just click the assignment unit cell, type in 75% and you can see the task actually finishes a week earlier. Instead of the week of October 5, now it finishes the week of September 28. One thing you don't want to do when you increase the units is to change the maximum units in the resource sheet. I'm going to go to the View tab and click on Resource Sheet. This maximum unit column is the maximum availability of the resource for the entire project. If I went in and set the office manager to 125%, that would be for the entire project and she probably wouldn't like that very much. Now if the resources are paid more for the overtime hours, you have to assign specific overtime hours in the project to get the right labor costs. Project multiplies the overtime rate by the overtime hours you assign. In the resource sheet, you can see that the movers are paid extra for the overtime, regular hours or 50 hours, regular hours or $50 an hour. So here if you see, $50 is paid for the standard rate as a standard rate for 1 hour and $75 is paid for the overtime per hour. Let's go back to the task usage view. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom of the project and we are going to look for the task pack and move that has the movers assigned. In this case, we have to add specific overtime hours. So we have to insert a column that says overtime work fields into the table. So I'll say insert a column. I'll say overtime work. I'm also going to scroll so that we can see the tasks in the grid. I'm also going to go to the View tab here and change this to Show Days, so we can actually see the individual days for this assignment. Now in this case, let's say we want the pack and move task to finish in the previous week. It's got 8 hours of work on following Monday. So here it is. So that's the time that we want to move into overtime in the previous week. Well, you can't edit the overtime in the grid. So you actually have to do it in the table itself. And in this case, you just click on the overtime work cells for the movers and you say I want 8 hours of the overtime for this task. Now you can see the 8 hours on Monday have disappeared and instead the work scheduled for each day has gone up. In addition, let's look at the task form. I'll turn on the details checkbox and the task form appears in the bottom half of the window. I want to look at the cost. So when I select the movers, right click here and see costs. Assignment, you can see that the cost is $1,800. There is 24 hours of the regular work, $1.50 an hour, so that's $1,200, and there's 8 hours of overtime work at $75 an hour, that's $600. So the total cost is $1,800 as you would expect. If resources earn the same amount per hour, you can assign longer hours simply by increasing the units for an assignment. If you do need to use the project's overtime feature, a little setup makes it easy to designate overtime hours. I hope the concept is clear to you. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.